So this is a screwdriver I've got for work. It's crap. You can't get a good grip on it. It's too bloody small. It just slips when you try and turn it. You get a screw that's in there. This thing is useless. So what I'm going to do today is I've got some little driver bits. I've got a piece of chair leg. I've got a lathe just here. I'm going to try and make my own screwdriver a little bit smaller than this one. Some of you might notice a bit of a cut in the filming halfway through. Had a bit of an emergency. I tried to use this screwdriver to check the profile on this one, accidentally hit a loose bit of wood and sent it flying into my head. Those who were squeamish should look away now. And this was the result of that. So, no need to panic, but I had a slight accident on the lathe. I'm okay. Side note to everyone, if you're going to send your partner a Snapchat of your face covered in blood, it helps to send a text message that says, please don't be mad before you send it. I still got in trouble, but it was probably lessened. So those people wondering, was I wearing safety glasses? Yes, but I mean, it hit me here. Safety glasses can't protect your whole face. So I splashed out, bought something a bit more robust that's going to protect me. Safety's not a joke. I like my life. I like being alive. Yeah, and that was it. This works, no worries at all. It's nice in my hand. Can get a good grip on it still. Much better than that crappy little yellow one I had. Similar to this one, it's much easier to hold. Alright, that's it. Good. If you liked it, let me know, and see you next time.